Hey guys, it's Remo, and are you interested in purchasing a home this year? Well, our team would love to host you at our next virtual home buyer workshop. We'll be talking about the home buying process. We'll also be sharing what it looks like to qualify for a mortgage, maybe some different down payment assistance programs that might be available to you as a first-time home buyer. We'll also talk about what it looks like to get out there and actually see properties during COVID, the different entry forms that have to be sent to one side and the other side. So we'll talk about that. We'll also then talk about how to put together a winning bid and actually how to win in today's market. Then once your offer gets accepted, we'll then share the different types of inspections that you're able to do and kind of things to look for. And then as you get to the finish line here and you get the keys, how to successfully maintain that home, right? Because it's not just about getting the keys, it's obviously about keeping the home as well. So if you're interested, again, whether it's your first home, your step-up home, or maybe you're downsizing into something smaller, again, we'd love the opportunity to educate you about the home buying process in today's market with everything going on. So if you're interested, please register. Again, we'd love to have you there, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye, guys.